man bana ngitin gwasame bana dobrien titi bana kanang ka Thok Nath no bukon nang Thok Nath ko de kontike ngiketin kontelot kana kan konon nyam gor no jin binwa language school bija support no ban je to kamen yam chalar no ne how is your day malode how is your day going. How is your day going? Shang du wede. Shang du wede. Shang du wede. La la ti dong ti jarano shang du guai or shang du te shang du wede. No bodo chi bur ki je bodong de lar no. How is your day going? Shang du wede. Ke simply shi boot ide and kan dong de ka kan. Shi buri di ka do dan dong de gor ka ja. Ano da la man yam ka goro ki ka ngaidu ka Thok Nath ko da la mo gwaba ban we gwat me ka tejero diena me dobrien ro diena me can you update the document can you update the document can you update the document jindere warga nyokke leslet jin deri warga nyok ke less let no dong de teji nonum jinderi warga nyok less let tangos ne warga dong de nang wargak la de te ka ki de nang bo warga do dan guje jeno de nang ka jan no jinderi wargak nyok less let can you update the document jinderi warga nyok less let can you update the document ka Thok Nath jinderi warga nyok less let lo warga de lan nyok don't warga mishala nun kul gor jeno be update diodian manadian do you need any help do you need any help namane do you need any help ka konde kon nanganode jin gore lwak ka jin gori lwak no dong de kanano tej bona mane tejiran ka jin gore lwak do you need any help do you need any help jin gori lwak akide larbo jin gori lwak ano ka do dan dong de nanga je dong gujeno ala any do de use matiako tiejiran no dong mitijeno gori lwak ke lwak che gor do you need any help jin tiejon ka jin gori lwak do you need any help ngwandian gwasame can we talk on call can we talk on call men yam ngede no na mi chiran jo no can we talk on call de kon right ka jo ke de ko right ke telephone de kon right ka jo ko namada la kelban de ko right ka jo de ko rodan yode ka de kon rodan yodi ka like gori je ramo mo be sharbe to mo dong de royen ke telephone ke de royen ka jaw de ko rodan yode ka de ko right ka jaw can we talk on call de na me de nanganon can we talk on call de kon right ka jaw ke de larno de ko rodan yode ka there's two ways here to use okay the number 5 ko bi kulangach number 5 shalaro nene is everything clear take any jibon is everything clear ngwan dial go ka ngwani dial go ka dong di teje makan ngwan dial go ka ki ka ngwani dial go ka is everything okay ko tangwas ni ne tungwan ala na mala chuang mishiran che we just gor jano dara tok dara jangai dong ba ji chuang gira mo ka do dan dong de tok de ngai ka jan dong de ku jano de lara de na me da la jan dong we dan dong de lel ka jan one kan number 6 Quen and Bakalian are you in the office today in the office today? Are you in the office today? Tejeran. no ka jin tire muktab ka du en wala jin ti re muktaba du en wala no ki de gorba gwara den jin tire muktab ka du en wala are you in the office today jin ti ka muktab en wala jin ti ka muktab da tijba jin shite ka muktab du en wala. So just go different way down but I prepared the first one and jin tire muktab ka du en wala jin shite ka muktab du en wala are you in the office today. Okay, ko tijarano jinti ka muktab du en wala bala man yamamo ko dong deran they tinje are you in the office today ko stand when dong there take a confusion dong deran there je confused. Okay, kajin ti re muktab ka du en wala de nang no ko do dan de nang ka jang baro dien gwas bana right check meridian me do you have a minute do you have a minute kajin take a minute la minute tele jaga to dan ala chere ka time dong jurano de luar jen de lar no do you have a minute de luar no ko tung na de ko laro de deri luar ano dong de rana deri luar mtie jaran kie bane jin take a minute jin take a minute mit deran jono bo but I prepare dere luar ko tera miran michi terano do you have a minute jin take a gwat de laran bo la dere luar la gori rajan gwadon when you ask somebody no do you have a minute you want to talk to that person so gori you know whether he or she is free or not you know a janta dana to do you have a minute dere luar jin take a minute wana ka badagdien gwada mene are you free now are you free now no me take je are you free now jin lori entama jin lori entama jin lori entama ka jin dere luar entama jin lori entama you know tijaran ki tama shi luar are you free now ka tama shi luar la ko defan kata dande gor ke je ki mi gujiran ju eran do lori but I prepare mon jin lori tama like are you free now don't te gwa yenten then go jano de ram de teach gwa ko dong me ram ma dong de yen je ke sia de je and then de jogono are you free now jin lori tama ki katama shi luar but I prepared the first one jin lori tama no bukono ka bangwandien when is the meeting when is the meeting when is the meeting meeting adol okay dong tirano no when is the meeting dol ene dol okay ene dol ene check no chikon bu ten along dol ene when is the meeting dol ene when no tijan ka gwadanan ba dol ba lat keje dol ene when is the meeting dol ene ke dol ba lat ene but I prepared that one chirmijan gwa dol ene ke dol ba lat winis but dol ene gwaya dol ene can we reschedule number 10 can we reschedule de larde ka Thok Nath no dena gwas de nyok kaloch ten ke de kon lar okay dena gwade can we reschedule dena gwade nyok kaloiten ke dena gwade yoniam ala rescheduling rescheduling chere meloje do la loje nyal dena gwas nyok ka gwech ke dena gwalde yotniam no ko rescheduling like den gwazde yot niam chere me dong mi en wenmo dong shar right wo balat ka chang mi ala do balat run ke mola kan wenmo dong ke lat ke emergency mit cha no de na jogono can we reschedule like chia jigan chang mo madan dong de yen ladum de lat ke je bat chram mo ke che lat ke mi chor la to on wenmo then yet che kon shall tell time all of you so you can say it can we reschedule then gwazde yon niam okay ke che kon de nyok je ka gwazde niam dena gwade yoniam tejena mo de kon gwade yoniam ki dena gwade yoniam no number 11 are you joining the call? Are you joining the call? Jin madrodu rewrite de kon lara nonum ko don take a phone call ngak take a phone call jin gori je okay chikon bulel gori je are you joining the call? Yeah, jin guru je en o brodu mat rewrite no cause like joining the call alama don't need right ka guru brodu maten don't jin part of that but kuje ke chai ko lu jagano are you joining the call jin guru jin o brodu mat rewrite ki guru jin o brodu maten jin guru jin o brodu mat rewrite are you joining the call? No, maybe something like that. Okay, one number 12 was a minute. Okay, number 12. Can you share the link? Can you share the link? Link de share ka gwada dan wa do latin ko bi location bi kulang hach jin okay ko der de bi ko ngaji namone jin deri tane gora ling ka to ka wayne ling de nyuak ke kako can you share the link de jindere ling de nyuak ke kako chan milano ke kana anon jindere ling mo nyuak kako chane ka ki deriling manyak na kel so we just put that deriling the nyak ko no money kel dilal we question mark wilat wanaka number 13 any update on the task any update on the task any update on the task take energy okay take a right me paiben te karach mi pai ben mi pai ben ke qui lat okay don't teach it te karach mi pai ben ke qui lat an update on the task te karach mi pai ben ke qui lat be more question mark here teach any update on the task take a right me paiben ka kwilat te general mudong take a jom chalat ke jen kwilat mon do you have or an update on the task take a right me paiben ka kwilat mradiana me number 14 can you check this can you check this me te jeran de ko lo jide checking a gwedu ka door jin deri mama ki na jin deri mama gwich okay minyok jin deri nama gwich kelgati de dong deri kan jin deri mama gwich ki deri larno jin deri nama gwich can you shake this no a question kaji number 15 is it done is it done is it done and I'm tejeran okay miche done chere miche talk ka shajalat is it done shajalat shajalat cause gor kona de kon ka de kon lat goma ka shajalat question mark ka shajalat ki simply shajalat ko mishi bel te ka mishi lat ka gude nyod jeno na mo te generan mi shajalat ki kana lat ka shajalat mana dien gwasame can you send the file can you send the file kejin deri okay kejin deri file majak can you send the file kejin deri de kono chole warga ala mishale files ke liu chere ka warga kejin deri warga amo jak tan milanon kejin deri warga mo jak kejin deri file mo jak kejin deri warga amo jak tan minanganon number 17 can you help me with this can you help me with this can you help me with this tejenamo mitejiran jindere alwakanama jin deri lwak ke nama ke de larbo jin deri lwak ke mama ka Thok Nath can you help me with this jin deri halwak ke nama jin deri halwak ke mama deri kel deri kan kaka jin deri halwak ke nama ke deri larno jin deri halwak ke mama can you help me with this 1k18 do you know how this work do you know how this work do you know how this work no tejiran jin ngaji lat and let kaname do you know how this work jin ngaji lat and let kaname no jin ngaji lat and let kaname okay dong de gorno no jin ngaji lat and let kaname ki nama lehde do you know how this work jin ngaji lat and let kanama no de lar no one kan number 19 can you guide me can you guide me la guide cherami lwagaran yudiran do okay ko gori jengo baji but gwada dan de rutin can you guide me jin deri habot jin deri ha bot ko gwada witano dongori guiding de ran jogono jin deri habot no number 20 is this correct number 20 ke number jandang road is this correct teni jinan gwadamo is this correct enema a talk en nema a talk enema a talk ki en mama a talk en mama a talk tejiran is this correct number 20 ke jandangro ka jandangro de kel de la de tedadian kan do you receive my email so did you receive my email did you receive my email tejana mon dong charam cha jak email pat kana chukuje kajin shi email jak okay che jak email che jak warga kajin shi email la jak da janon did you receive my email kajin shi email jak don kiran che jak warga whether che je wal kana jak you don't know but gor je no de ngaje no mi che jak did you receive my email kajin shi email jak ke jin shi warga da jak de gorno jin shi warga da men sha gwari jak kale say like that okay kajin shi email jak did you receive my email or you can say jin shi warga da men shagwar rijek. No. 22. Should I send an update? Should I send an update? Update min nyok kalen. Okay. Deji nyok deji jak men pilot. Deji jak men paya lolat. So jantarnan should I send an update? Deji jak men paya lolat. Ki deji jak men chitwok. Okay. Deji jak men chitwok chana men pilot watch. Deji jak men should I send an update? Deji jak men pay talk. No. Could defend katada and diri jam. Should I send an update? De men pay talk jak. Ki deji jak men pay talk. Ko shalel should I send an update? De hen men pay talk jak. Simple as that. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay. Okay. Diri gordi. De men yame de. De and men pay talk jak. Yeah, you know. Should I send an update? De hen men pay talk jak. There la question. Ke there we kaje. Men pay lat. De hen men pay talk jak. Ke should I send an update? Mite me dong mi che talk dan there jak me mu kwaika. 23. Can we discuss this later? Shi kon neme de lat iyo. Okay. Shi kon neme de lat iyo. Shi kon de lat iyo de larbono no. Shi kon de lat iyo. So guarda many chikon and chikon, but name very important. Okay, cause take a sentence. Kajan you the mono more naga quide and name ki mama. This a man can we discuss this later? Chikon name de lat iyo. Ki chikon de lat iyo. Okay, deri name deri use can we discuss this later? Yogarano chikon de lat iyo. Then no lat kon and tama. Ano. Teja Dodian, are you available tomorrow? Are you available tomorrow? No. Kajin buluar irun. Simply. Kajin bi luar irun. Dekolare non. Are you available tomorrow? Kajin buluar irun. Kimadrian dekolare de. Kajin bitetin irun. Kajin bi te tin run. Name question. Kajin bi te tin run. Are you available tomorrow? Kajin buluare run. Kajin bi te tin run. No more dong deri nang no. Do badan deri do brene deri yang ai keje. Wana nyam gwasa me curtain kokien. Banaweka number 25. 25 guasa me chelare no. When can we meet? When can we meet? Thok Nath di laro di dene jegene. When can we meet? Ka dene jeg ine. When can we meet? No. Ke when can we meet? De kon jegene simply. De kon jeg nay. When can we meet? De kon jekine. Me jiram dongo de jekaran de laro de kon jekine. Kwenen jendang ro bakalian. Can we finish this today? Can we finish this today? Can we finish this today? Dene neme tukan wale. Dene neme tuk en wale. Dene neme tuk en wale. De kon meme tuk en wale. De kon meme tuk en wale. Can we finish this today? Dua dan dong de ran de nam de tu ke je. Can we finish this today? De na nam tu kan wale. De kon me tu kan wale. Dua dan dong te mo go de la diena ka don go yin de yen tu ke de yen malat. Can we finish this today? One number 27. How long will it take? How long will it take? Don't go in legend door. They ran jogono. How long will it take? No. Don't they call Arab pick? What mean nang? Okay, they call nang ka be nang ni was mi bar idi. Okay, ka banang na gwam mi bar idi na mo da chong antama dio je chechung. How long will it take? Ka ba gwas mininde nang. Simply we can denam de nang no. Ka ba gwas minin de nang ka kon la kona nang la kona lara no. How long will it take? Ka ba gwas minin de nang. Ka ba gwas me bar minin de nang. Okay, ba gwas me bar me nin de nang. Okay, let's simply say like that because don't die. Yeah, ka ba gwas me nin de nang ke ba gwas me bar me nin de nang. How long will it take? 28. Can you approve this? Can you approve this? Jin deri nama nok. Jin deri nama nok. Jin deri nama nok. Can you approve this? Dei teja maderi akan. Can you approve this? Number 29. Are we still on schedule? Are we still on schedule? Are we still on schedule? Ka ngot kon ka me chane lat bana lat simple jamlel ka ngot kon ka me chane. Okay, me chana lat, me chana lat ibane lat. Okay, ibane lat, like, okay, let me simply say like that. Ka ngot kon ke me chana lat ibane lat ke ngode te kon re waje chana lat. Ka ngot kon ke me chana lat ibane lat. Are we still on schedule? Ka ngot kon ke me chana lat. Simply chana pel kalat guasamko. Yeah, something like that. Ka ngot kon ke me chana lat ke de kon larano ka ngode te kon re shap ke me chana lat. Ka ngode te kon re shap ka me re shap ka. Okay, simple. Ka ngode te kon re shap. Okay, simple chana min pal no, but just take the first one. Okay, let me not confuse you. Are we still on schedule? Ka ngot kon ke me chana lat balat ko scheduling schedule me cha lat no balat. Okay, number 30. Can you remind me later? Can you remind me later? Okay, ka share de. Okay, reminding me team rando ka share de team yo simple jinde re team ka kora. Okay, ka share de team yo jana me larano ke jin deri a team ka kora. Okay, something like that. Can you remind me later? For me, I would prefer Thok Nath. Can you remind me later? Kashia de laler yo, simply like that. We are going to remove this one. Okay. Okay, share the lar yo. Okay. Can you remind me later? Share the lar yo. The nanganon. Number 30. Do you have any suggestion? Kajin take a charm deritu. Kajin take a char mideri. Mun chan larnon. Do you have any suggestion? Kajin take a char mideri mun jantage. Dong shet kam ngi konam gwada me deri take a char. Mideri mun gwasame. Chikon chop kaman jak dien. Me jiram jirid gwasame kanwar language school. Goro jin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko bi titi bi kan sha mala shup gonatin gor kon ke no de ka oten ko tong nuare akel mo gwalong katin kon let kon ke gor kon de kon ngaje no ngum dar do kono ti do mi channel raja ta ka de ti ya ci kon kan ente dialde. Do you have any suggestion kitin so ti gor jeno de ra ndero de kefaka da kan nyak baga ne de kokien ane bana je kamudo dien ko gor kono bande diala kon lat kono gwada bu kon ka lat kel ane biya teka mal.